Hello sis, congratulations.
Congratulations!
Ulit. 1, 2, 3, go! Congratulations! Kita mo, pinagpraktisan pa namin yung nakong. Anyway sis, congratulations. And I'm so happy. Yeah, finally, you arrived for the right time na mag-iisa ka na. Dapat sa pag-iisa ninyong dalawa ay si Jesus Christ yung nauna. Well, anyway, it's been tested. And this is the time of, it's a matter of endurance of having Christ in our life. So, for Brian, take care of my sister. And alagaan mo siya ng mabuti kasi best friend ko yan. Simula ko nung bata pa kami lang. Ayaw ko nga lumapit yan sa akin, laging sama-sama kasi yung mga girls dati, ayaw ko lumapit sa pagkakamalan na girlfriend ko yan. So, very close po kami. So, ganun na lang. So, alagaan mo siya ng mabuti, magiging kasama kayo habang buhay. So, may God bless you and your whole future family, your children, bless, and patuloy na magsisilbi kay Lord. Siya ang dapat unahin. Siya dapat ang unahin sa lahat. So, congratulations.
Honey, thank you.
Yeah. And thank you din sa lahat.
Thank you for always being there.
And also, I really appreciate na yung ginawa ni Brian dati sa bago siya naligaw. So, nagpaalam muna siya sa amin. So, really, I do really appreciate that. And I trust you. And patuloy ko kayong pinagpipray every night and then na kay Lord lang tayo na patuloy na lumago sa Panginoon. Yes. And congratulations and mag-enjoy kayo. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your day.
Congratulations and best
And I think this is a surprise for you, I guess. So, thank you for Apple also. Yeah, so, this is surprise kita ngayon. Sige.
Hindi na.
Surprise! Oh,
Yeesh,
okay, gano'n na yun. So, gano'n. Alam mo naman, hindi pa rin nagbago. Gwapo pa rin ako. Okay. Goodbye. God bless you. Sabi nga,
Flying kiss natin.
yeah, sige nga. 1, 2, 3. Tcharing! Sige na sis, baka hindi na magkasya
God
sa
bless
message.
you.
God bless you. Bye-bye.
Be happy always.
Be happy. Bye-bye.